which taken up by the cabinet today. The number one is that the government has approved the shifting of the administrative building of government of Meghalaya to New Township, Shillong Township, near Maupdang, Maukhanu. As you are aware that the government is acquiring about 807.78 acre of land in this new township. So it is fit that taking into consideration the congestion in Shillong, taking into consideration the expanding of the new township, that the administrative building, a common office, will be shifted to that new site at Maupdang, Maukhanu. The foundation stone for the same will be laid on the 21st of Jan 2022. That is the first agenda which the cabinet has approved today. Number two, taking into consideration that the need of the early childhood development for the holistic development of the children, the cabinet today has approved the early childhood development mission. In this, it will be a convergence of the social welfare, the health department, education, and all the stakeholders, so that the children will get the benefit of healthcare, education in the state of Meghalaya. Moreover, as you know that there are about 1,500 plus of village which does not serve by this ICDS under Akanvadi program. So with this implementing of this mission, we hope that we will be able to cater to the need of the children who need the care at the early stage.